When the wind speaks. In a quiet village near the mountains, there was a girl named Mia. Mia loved to sit outside and listen to the wind. The wind tells stories, she always said. Her friends laughed at her. The wind cannot speak, Mia, they said. But Mia smiled. You must listen carefully, she replied. One evening, Mia sat on a hill. The wind was strong and cold. She closed her eyes and listened. Suddenly, the wind seemed to whisper. Be kind, be brave, it said softly. Mia opened her eyes in surprise. The next morning, Mia saw an old man sitting alone near the market. He looked tired and hungry. The wind blew gently around her. Be kind, it seemed to say again. Mia walked to the man. Hello, sir. Are you hungry? She asked. The man looked at her and smiled weakly. Yes, little one. Mia gave him her lunch, bread and cheese. Here, please eat, she said kindly. The man ate and said, Thank you, dear child. Your kindness is a gift. That afternoon, Mia's friend Ben saw her. Why did you give your food to that man? He asked. Mia smiled. The wind told me to be kind, she said. Ben laughed. The wind talks to you. Mia nodded. Yes, but you must listen. The next day, Ben saw a little bird with a broken wing. He remembered Mia's words. He carefully picked up the bird and took it home. That evening, Ben told Mia, I listened to the wind today. It said, help when you can. Mia smiled. See, the wind speaks to everyone who listens. From that day, Mia and Ben listened to the wind together. They learned that kindness is everywhere, like the wind.